Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my FunFetti cookie recipe. For the ingredients, we need 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1 piece whole egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and of course, 1/2 cup of your FunFetti sprinkles. So first, we will do creaming method. Cream natin si butter and yung sugar. Then, sa creaming method, pwede nyo na i-mix si vanilla extract. Oops. Let's cream this one around 3 to 5 minutes. While kini-cream natin, let's mix the dry ingredients. Your flour, cornstarch, iodized salt, and of course, your baking soda. Lagay na natin si vanilla extract. After creaming your butter and your sugar, you add your egg. Then, hulog na natin si dry. And then, mix this one just until makombine siya lahat. Do not overmix para hindi matigas si cookie. Mix it by hand. Then, fold in natin yung sprinkles. 1/4 muna ng sprinkles para later sa taas yung 1/4. Set aside. Prepare your cookie sheet. Yan. Lined with your baking paper. Get ice cream scooper, then scoop na natin siya. This recipe will give you 12 medium size na cookie. Ayaw mahumo. So, after ready na si cookie, i-bake na natin siya around 15 minutes. Our cookies are baked already. Here's our FunFetti cookie. Malambot pa masyado kasi medyo mainit pa. Display na natin. our FunFetti cookies. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!